Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find password on iPhone. iPhone now has a new app where you can find all your password without have to go to the settings. So this is the app right here. You can see this is it, password. This is the app. So if you are running on iOS 18, then you have this app on your phone, and if you don't have it, just go to your Apple Store, then tap in password, then you'll find this app, which is the utility app for iPhone. You can just download it in case if you don't have it on your phone. So once you have it downloaded to your phone, then you can just play around with it. If you want to get your password, just tap on the all button, the first option that you find on it, which is all. Right there you can have access to all the list of the app. If you open the website where you can get the password, just tap on it, then you'll be able to get the password. If you want to get the passkey for your any app on your phone, also you can just tap on the passkey. If you want to get the Wi-Fi password, tap on it. If you want to check the security level of each password you have on your phone, just tap on the security, then you see the security level. If there is a particular password that needs to be changed from weak to strong, or if there's any website security that you need to modify on your password so that it will not open your account at risk. So all this app is specifically for that. Then also one can tap on a particular app you registered on your phone. If you want to get the password, just tap on it, then you tap on the password, then you reveal your face ID or your passcode, just for you to be able to have access to the password in case you didn't remember. And also you can use this to keep your password to save your password in a safe place without having to go to the settings and start looking for the password option in the settings. So this app really works so pretty well, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.